guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Good morning. It is about 10 a.m. right now. So this week I thought it would be fun just to do a little college week of my life video. It is the last week of school until spring break, and I don't know, I just thought it would be fun to like bring you guys around. I can't promise that this is gonna be a super eventful vlog. It's probably just gonna be like me going to class and coming home and stuff, but you guys seem to like these videos, so I thought I would just do one. If you are new to my channel, what's up? My name is Adrienne. I am a senior here at UNC Charlotte in Charlotte, North Carolina. So I would love if you hit subscribe. I just post new videos every week about lifestyle and school and stuff like that. But anyways, I have 2 classes this morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and head to school, and then I'll talk to you guys as soon as I get there. So it is Tuesday, February 26th, and it's 10:20 in the morning, and I actually don't have class until 11:30 today. However, I am at campus pretty early because I am gonna go talk to one of my professors. It's like hard because I want to like tell you guys so much, but like I am so scared of like jeopardizing not being able to graduate for like talking crap about my professor on YouTube, so I'm just not going to. But yeah, so I'm gonna go talk to my professor about some stuff, and then after my second class I have to meet with my group because we have a group project that we're working on. We pretty much meet every Tuesday, and so yeah, that should probably take a couple hours, and then I have a little bit of a break, and then I'm gonna go to spin tonight, and then Gabby and Emily are coming over so we can hang out before spring break. And yeah, it's just kind of a busy day. But anyways, I need to go talk to her. I'm like procrastinating it because I really don't want to. So wish me luck, guys. Going to spin today. Obviously, I'm really happy and excited to finally be getting back into my routine. However, it is just a little bit nerve-wracking because you know that it's probably gonna be hard on your body. I'll let you guys know how it goes. Either way, I always feel better after a workout. Like, I feel fine right now, but I know I'm gonna feel even better after.
See it in action.
No, it kind of looks like healthy s'mores or something.
Ooh, that does remind me of healthy s'mores.
Like, I mean, it's not really a lot of the same.
And what's new, this little muffin is not having it. She's just like, Mom, please leave me alone. Look at her. Cleo. Alright, so a little bit of an update. It is 1:13 now, and I'm actually making pretty good time today. Like, I've gotten so much done, and it's only 1, which feels really good. But I'm writing this critique, and I've never written a critique before, and pretty much like we just had to trade papers with somebody in our class, and then like we critique it, but it has to be like written formally. So what I'm doing is I'm going through with a pink pen and I'm taking notes on the strengths, and then in my green pen I'm taking notes on the weaknesses. Then I have like a Google Doc pulled up here, and I'm kind of just like taking notes on my computer, and then I am like transferring it into actually like a written text, and I have like my thesis highlighted right there. I'm like 99% sure you're supposed to do your thesis first, but for me it just like always flows so much easier when I just wait. But yeah, here we go. I'm working on it. I feel like this will only take me another like hour and a half or something. I just want to have time to have like an hour to myself today to just not do schoolwork, not do editing, just an hour. Hello you guys, I hope you can hear me okay. I'm in a parking deck right now and there's like this really loud generator thing, so hopefully you can hear me. But what's up, it's Wednesday. I figured I would just hop on and say hey because I didn't really do much vlogging today. So since I don't have class Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I kind of treat those days as my work day. And I had a really productive day today, so that felt really good. I am just sitting here waiting to go into a spin class at 5:30. One of the videos I actually filmed today was how to get back on track. Because I don't know, I feel like this time of the year you can kind of like reach a little bit of a rut or go off track with spring break and stuff like that. I thought I'd update you guys on like my workout regimen. So in the past I have like been really good about splitting going to the gym and like going to spin 50-50, but to be honest right now I'm just not feeling the gym. Like I don't know, I need to talk to someone and like get into weight training or something like that because I'm just kind of like in a weird gym rut in a way. So it's not that I don't want to exercise, like I love going outside and running, I love going to spin, like I have gone every single day this week. Yeah, I'm just like not really in the mood to go to the gym, to be honest. So that's why if you hear me on my channel, I'm like spin, spin, spin. Yeah, it's because that's all I've been doing as far as working out. I'm kind of just switching up my workout routine right now and it feels really good, honestly. And by the way, that how to get back on track video is probably already up by the time you're watching this, so I will leave it linked below. But I think it's about that time that I go to this class. I'm really excited. It is a Latin pop class and it's with Erica P at Cycle South. If you're in Charlotte, go. She is such a good instructor. This right here is why I don't film myself working out, because this is the end result. Like literally look at my hair, I look crazy. Good morning you guys, happy Thursday. So it is about 10 a.m. right now and I have 2 classes today. Actually no, I only have 1 class. I just have to go to my econ class at 11:30 and then the other class is like technically canceled because we just have to take our test online today at some point before 6 p.m. So yeah, I just have class and then I have to do an online test later, so pretty chill day. The first test I had for this class was pretty easy and it's like open notes, so as long as your notes are on point then you're usually good. I also wanted to say, I kind of just realized I've looked like really busted all throughout this vlog. Like I feel like I just like my hair has been kind of a mess and like face kind of puffy. I'm just on my period, you guys, so I never really feel like getting fully put together on those weeks. Can you relate? Would you like to go out? Let's go. Okay, so I'm sitting here waiting for the light rail and I just realized, you guys, it is the last day of February and that makes me so excited for somebody like me that just like really struggles in the winter. Like as soon as February is over, life just goes up. I'm not even kidding. Here in North Carolina though, you never really know with March. It snowed here in March before. It's been 80 degrees in March here before, so we shall see what the next month brings. I'm just so happy that winter is finally coming to a close. Oh my gosh. I wanted to show you guys my newest little snack slash side edition. These bagel chips with that like homemade salsa on top that you can get from the store. This is bruschetta, right? And I've also been like strangely obsessed with pitas lately. I don't know, I'm not like a sandwich person, but I love pitas. But yeah, again, these like phases that I'm obsessed in, I'm in one right now. All right, so it is 2 o'clock right now and my goal is to take this exam by like 4 o'clock. Because I just want to give myself a little time to, you know, rest and review and stuff. But I have a video going up today and I was sitting down to make the thumbnail and I always get a lot of questions about how I make my thumbnails. So I thought I would just go ahead and show you guys my secret. It's really not a secret because it's just not, like, it's so easy. So to make my thumbnails, I use the website PicMonkey. And I'm pretty sure part of it is free, but to get like all the features I just pay for like a monthly membership and I'm literally think it's like $5. It's super cheap. So first what I do is I just go to the collage option. All right, and then I just add my images. So sometimes I will have a thumbnail be like 1 photo, sometimes I want to use a lot of photos. It really just depends on the video. And then for the dimensions for YouTube thumbnails, you're gonna do 1280 by 720, and then literally all you have to do is just drag your photos in. Obviously, like, you want your thumbnail to, you know, be eye-catching and stuff like that, but you don't want like too much going on. Okay, and then you send it to the editor if you want to add like text and stuff like that. And I always just try and not put any words down here, because if you're on your phone, this is where the timestamp is, so any words down there are probably gonna get cut off. And then for the outline, you just add a drop shadow, and then I just kind of like go like that, and I always just kind of like play around with it and just see like what looks best. And sometimes, honestly, you guys, if I upload a video and it doesn't get many views, I'll like change the thumbnail even after it's been uploaded, because thumbnails can like be a big dictator in like who is clicking your video. And just a little tip, if you want to add more spacing between the letters, you can just add a curve and then just change the curve to 0%. And I'm sorry if you like aren't a YouTuber and you don't care about this, but I get a lot of questions and I just want to share it with you guys, because I know when like you're starting out on YouTube, it can be kind of confusing. Okay, so I just add the curve to 0, and then what you can do is just like push these together and make the letters kind of a little bit further apart, just because that way it makes it a little bit more readable. But yeah, that is how I do it. Super easy, and then I just save it. My thumbnails are pretty basic, but some thumbnails on YouTube, like, you guys would be surprised, some thumbnails can literally take like hours to put together. All right, I just finished taking this quiz. I'm gonna click submit and see how I did. Well, it's a test, but it says quiz, it's a test. Yay, I got a 94. Happy spring break. Spring rolls, yeah. Chicken pad see ew. This is like my favorite noodle dish, so good. And then steamed dumplings, ooh. Does she know, where is she? She knows we're leaving. I feel so bad. Hi guys, so it is Saturday night and I'm with Julia. Isn't her sweater so cute? Where'd you get it from?
Nordstrom.
And what about your pants?
Free People.
Shoes?
Nordstrom.
Anyways, we are about to go to a brewery here. There are so many breweries here in Charlotte. So if you are 21 and you go to Charlotte, definitely check out the breweries because they are amazing.
Until women own and run.
Women own and run. And I'm wearing my Girl Power shirt that I got from Forever 21. Actually, that's funny. That's a big coincidence. Hi guys, and happy Sunday. It is Sunday here. Cleo and I have just been pretty much chilling. Actually, we haven't been chilling all day. We've been chilling in the house all day, but we've been getting stuff done. So I've been doing like so much cleaning. I cleaned all of this stuff that was like just piled in there, and then I went through our little linen closet. It's always been like pretty organized in here, but every couple months I just kind of have to go through and like clean it out. I actually did film doing all of that for another video, so stay tuned for that. And then finally over here, I don't know if you guys have ever noticed, but we kind of like have this junk corner, and I just finally cleared it out. There's still some stuff that I have to go through, but I have to go to spin in like the next 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna do that later tonight. But then over here, this is trash. I still have the balloon that I got for my 8-year YouTube anniversary, which was in September, so that's good. So yeah, I need to bring all that stuff down to the dumpster. And you guys are probably like, Adrienne, how did you accumulate that much trash in your house? Well, the dumpster is like across my neighborhood, so it's kind of like a haul, you know what I mean, like to get over there. So it's just kind of all accumulated here, but I'm taking care of it. But anyways, I am about to go and work out. I think this is gonna be the last day that I do in this video. Today, I was looking through the footage though earlier, and like I just feel like this has been a really boring week, so I'm sorry if this vlog was boring. I just think it's fun to like show you guys snippets of my life. I don't know, the weather has also been like super off this whole week. Like it's been raining for the past like 10 days, so I'm really hoping that now that I'm on spring break, it like brightens up, because I'm literally gonna be here the whole week. And I'm also hoping my skin clears up. I don't know if I've adjusted yet in this video, but my skin, it's because I've been on my period, my skin literally is just like You are such a little trip. Do you know that? Hi guys, so I just got back, which is why I look super gross. But let me tell you something. Earlier today, I started craving sweet potato fries, which is funny because like I literally never make sweet potato fries. I've never made them. I've only ever had them like at a restaurant, but I started craving them and I can't stop thinking about it. So I think we're gonna do a sweet potato fry moment. Okay, so pretty much every website has a different way of making them, but I found one that's super simple. It says we toss thin sticks of sweet potatoes in olive oil, salt, and pepper. So I guess that's the plan. Oh my gosh, how good do these look? Well, I don't even know if they look that good on camera, but they smell so good. And then I also did just a hefty salad. There's just some shredded iceberg, some broccoli slaw, a little bit of chicken. I want to say it's like half a chicken breast, and then some quinoa on top. And oh my gosh, this looks so good. Perfectly balanced. You know, I got my fries, got my healthiness. I love it. Hi guys, so it is now Monday the 4th of March, so that pretty much wraps up this video. It's been a full week. Definitely be sure to let me know what you guys saw in this video, and if you want to see more college week in my life videos, because I would love to do more. And also, I don't know if you guys stay super up to date with my videos, but I have uploaded a good like 5 or 6 videos within the past week and a half. So if you're not all caught up, I will have the links to all those new videos in the description. But yeah, that is about it. I love you guys so much. Thank you if you watched all the way until the end, because I know this is quite a lengthy video, but I love you and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys. You say bye bye? Say bye.